Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this update on WSM. I just wanted to make an update on that. I don't have major updates or major news since the update I did yesterday. So I will probably stop doing these daily updates on WSM. I think for now it's still interesting because we have actually seen we did see a bit of a bearish spike. Right here overnight, which usually if you see moves like these, like I'll show you, usually if you see these moves like these, so with a long wick to the downside and barely any wick to the upside, that's quite bearish, and that usually means that holders and whales are selling, which in general is to be expected. The market structure for WSM is very bearish. Like there's nothing bullish about WSM right now, so you would expect perhaps people who are staking WSM now that the price is around the listing price to sell off their WSM and whales just in general before a WSM drops down. So that's the situation right now. WSM is bearish. If we take a look at some other statistics, volume is very low as well, but it's the weekend, so give WSM a break. Open interest is actually still pretty high. So I've been mostly bearish so far this video. I do want to stress that this open interest does mean that some sort of a rally is still possible. The thing though is that like there's no indication of a rally happening right now. If there is any indication, I would tell you instantly, but there at this point of time there is just none. Like what would help? Some possible things that could create some hype and that could actually cause the price to go up is perhaps some news about, for example, the Wall Street memes casino product launching. That could help WSM. Apart from that, technically, it could also happen. Like it's fully possible. But then WSM, like it starts to show momentum once it breaks above like 3.7 cents. If it breaks above 3.7 cents, all right, then we're on. Then it's possible with the open interest that we'll get some sort of a real short squeeze. And that the price rallies up to like 4.4, 4.5 cents. So that is a possibility. And I do want to tell you that. It's just that, like I said, at this moment, there's no indication that this would happen. Like what you would need to have for some indication is some bullish fundamental news, perhaps the open interest increasing, the volume increasing, some sort of a bullish breakout. But we have none of those things yet. So yes, I do think that in the next week, WSM will still rally at some point of time. But now, given the market structure, but also given what we're seeing on the very short term, like on the short term, sure, if you zoom out, it's bearish. But if you zoom in, it's perhaps even more bearish. Like the support levels are barely giving us any support. It seems like 3.3 cents is a very strong support level, at least. Like that has held us up for the last couple of days. So if that breaks, what does look like the most likely scenario now, then it's over. Then we'll just drop, or not, it's not over, but then we'll drop down to 3 cents and 2.75 cents. And it's fair to say, I think, that if WSM breaks down to those levels, it will probably never reach 7.5 cents again. And I know I'm going to get some hate for that, but overall, I don't think WSM has a long and bright future. Sure, it might be able to still spike up at times, but given what they did right here, I don't think a Binance listing is coming. What we're seeing is that the volume is also dropping down. If that keeps dropping down, it will also be less likely to get that Binance listing. So I don't think I mean, as most of you know, I mean, WSM is a community token or is a meme token, which also does not provide it with that utility it really needs for the long term. Except for if they launch that casino and it's really well used, all right? Then there might be hope for WSM. But for now, we'll have to see. This is the most likely scenario, I think. But that's my analysis for now. For now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.